Okay guys, welcome back to another video, and today we're going to review the ESA alarms for other country. So first we're going to start on my home country, USA. Yeah, that was normal. It was kind of not that scary, so I'm going to put it in B tier. Next we're going to review Japan's ESA alarm. Bro, what the heck was that? That was even scary. I'm going to put this D tier. And next, we're going to do Australia's ESA alarm. Also, this is kind of also volume warning. Yeah, it was kind of okay. It wasn't that scary, so I'm going to put it in, how about C tier. Next, we're going to do is Brazil's alarm. Okay. That was super scary. That's good. That's definitely gonna be S tier. Yeah, that's an S tier. Next, we're going to do Poland's alarm. Well, there's going to be a volume warning. So, turn down your TV or phone. Bro, I just got goosebumps. That was so scary. That's definitely going to be S tier. Next, we're doing Canada's alarm. Yes, I would wake up to that, but it's not that scary, so I'm going to put it 8 tier. Next, we're doing Ukraine's ESA alarm. So okay, let's go. I don't know what to say. That's an S tier. That was later so scary. No, I didn't mean to put Saudi Arabia in there. Okay, and next we're gonna do Mexico's ESA alarm. So let's get to that. Well, Mexico? Well, it was okay, I guess. It was a little bit worse than America's, so it's gonna go in the C tier with Australia. The next thing we're gonna do is South Korea. Also, there's gonna be another volume warning. That was so scary. Oh, we're gonna put that in S tier. Now the next thing we're gonna do is North Korea. I bet this is gonna be scarier than the South Korea. So volume warning again. Bro, that was what? D tier. That was nothing. Okay guys, this is the end of the video, so make sure you like and subscribe right now. There's going to be part 2 tomorrow. Bye.